Imagine starting your journey to financial freedom with just $100. Is it possible? Absolutely. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to invest from zero, what to know before you start, how to choose the best investment, and strategies to grow your money over time. Plus, we'll reveal a crucial investing secret at the end that could change the way you approach your financial future forever. Stay tuned until the end. You don't want to miss it. Starting with $100 might not seem like much, but here's why it's powerful. It's not about the amount you start with, it's about creating the habit of investing. That first step changes your mindset and sets you on a path to wealth. When you invest small amounts, you get to learn without taking on huge risks. You can experiment, make mistakes, and grow your confidence, all while building your wealth bit by bit. Remember, even the biggest fortunes often started small. And here's the magic of compound interest. When you invest and reinvest your earnings, your money grows exponentially. For example, if you invest $100 today and add just $25 a month at an average return of 8%, you could have over $10,000 in 20 years. It's all about consistency and time. Before you start investing, it's important to have a solid financial foundation. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, buying a home, or building wealth? Your goals will shape your investment strategy. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up ensures you won't need to dip into your investments during tough times. Step 3. Learn the basics. Understand key terms like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Don't worry, we'll break these down in a way that's easy to understand later in this video. With just $100, there are plenty of options to start investing. Let's explore the most popular and accessible ones. 1. Stock market apps like Robinhood, Webull, or E*. Trade make it easy to buy fractional shares of top companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Even a few dollars invested here can grow significantly over time. 2. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds allow you to invest in a basket of stocks for diversification. Think of it as spreading your $100 across multiple companies instead of putting all your eggs in one basket. 3. Robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment or Acorns automatically invest your money based on your goals and risk tolerance. It's perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach. 4. Cryptocurrency. If you're open to higher risk, consider investing a small amount in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Remember, only invest what you're willing to lose. Once you've started, it's time to think long-term. Here are 3 strategies to ensure your success. 1. Consistency is key. Invest regularly, even if it's just $25 a month. Over time, these small contributions add up and take advantage of market growth. 2. Reinvest your earnings. Don't withdraw your profits. Instead, let them compound. This is how small investments grow into significant wealth. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. A mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets can provide stability and growth. As a beginner, avoiding mistakes is just as important as making smart investments. Here are 3 pitfalls to steer clear of. 1. Chasing hype. Avoid investing in trendy assets without research. Many get-rich-quick schemes lead to significant losses. 2. Neglecting research. Understand what you're investing in. Whether it's stocks, ETFs, or crypto, knowledge is your greatest tool. 3. Panic selling. Market dips are normal. Selling in fear locks in losses. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Starting your investment journey with $100 is not only possible, it's powerful. By building good habits, staying consistent, and making informed choices, you can achieve financial success over time. And now, as we promised, here's the most important insight. The best time to invest isn't when markets are at their peak, but during downturns when opportunities are everywhere. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Want to learn how to identify those golden opportunities? Check out our next video where we dive into finding undervalued assets for maximum growth. Don't miss it. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips from the Millionaire's Handbook. Share this video with someone who wants to start investing. Together, let's build a brighter financial future.